Yo, check out this fire jacket I ordered from TikTok, y'all. It's a nice little bomber with a little zip on the arm. Let's see what's this. Ooh, that's the luxury stripe. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh, nah. Oh, nah, I'm about to be stepping. Hold on. This is dope. Get the little flexion going. Nice little jacket for that. Zip it up. Stepping out tonight. They gonna be like, where you get this from? I'm like, I got it from TikTok. Yeah. It go with the jeans well. We outside, y'all. Make sure y'all get y'all one of these. I gotta get one of these, man.